When you search using Google, you would want the results to be as accurate as possible. You can use special query words or symbols that perform special action in Gmail search. You will be able to search what you want quickly and more accurately. You'll be able to organize your inbox automatically. To do this, you can set up filters and rules. Google has provided us with so many of these very useful search operators.
That's right. And you can use advanced operators to find private information of a target company, so you can extend it a little bit. You can also get contact details of personnel of the company through Google. You can use the advanced operators to do this. Attackers use the gathered information to perform social engineering attacks. Google will filter for excessive use of advanced search operators and will drop the requests with the help of an intrusion prevention system.
To get the data about the target system or network, we search and search. You can find out the vulnerable programs on a server. When you have them, you know where exactly and how exactly to attack. Google hackers have many options to gather information. You typically use CGI scanners to get the information. The scanner must know exactly to search on a web server. Generally, the scanners look for vulnerability files or directories that may contain sample code or vulnerability files. The tools generally store the vulnerabilities in a file. The content in a line in a vulnerability file can serve as a pointer to a Google hacker. Google can be used like a CGI scanner. Each line can be broken down and used in either an index.of or an in-URL search to find vulnerability targets.